My name is Abraham Bongcher, and in this tutorial I will guide you how to make an MP3 player. Type the name of the MP3 player and then press OK button. Any new page should open. I think I have an issue with the network. It's okay. Let me press OK and then scroll down and go to title visible and untick it, and then set the align horizontal to center, and then we'll go to layout and drop vertical arrangement in the main screen, and then we'll set the align horizontal to center again, height to fill parent and width to fill parent as well. Drag and drop horizontal arrangement inside the vertical arrangement layout. Drag another one as well and drag the third one as well. Set the alignment horizontal to center. Go to the user interface and drag and drop button in the last horizontal arrangement, and we'll rename the button as button underscore play underscore pause. Okay, and then we'll set the text to empty by cleaning it. We'll upload a file which is PNG file for play icon. From the image, click on the play icon PNG and you should see on your screen just like my one. And then we'll set the height to 50 pixel and width to 50 pixel as well, and you can see the size has been reduced. Let's upload a pause icon PNG as well. Press OK, and then you will see in your media reflected. Now let's tap on media and drag and drop play function, and we'll increase the volume to 80. Let's go to block by clicking on the block, and then we'll set drag and drop the button when click. Then from the control we'll drag and drop if inside the button function, and then from the play we'll drag and drop is playing, and also from the logic not, and set the is playing if not playing, which means if the media is not playing. Now from the player we will drag and drop start, which means if the media is not playing when the button is clicked, it will start playing. You can clearly see the function, the condition. We'll drag and drop else as well. But if it is playing, let's pause it. Means when the button is clicked, if it is playing, it will pause, and if it is not playing, it will play. And we'll set the image as well. Maybe we'll drag and drop this image from the button and set under the call start. We'll duplicate it and set it under the pause as well. From the text we'll get an empty text and give the name of the file that we uploaded. Say in the first case it's play icon PNG, sorry, pause icon PNG, and then play icon PNG, which means when it plays it will show the pause icon, and when it's not playing it will show us the play icon. Let's go back to designer, and then in the this will reduce the height to 20 pixels, sorry, so that we get a space between the label and the button. Now let's go to the layout and drag one more layout that will be a vertical layout above all the three layouts for the list view. And now let's drag and drop the list view inside it, and height we will give to maybe 70%, and we'll change the background color to white and selection to sign color and the text color to blue. That will do. Let's test if our list is being visible or not. You can see the beginning part of the letter are hidden, so we should set the layout to align horizontal center, and also we should set the width of the list to fill parent. Even then it is not visible, so let's go back to vertical arrangement. And now let's change the height to maybe it's 95%. Okay, you can see the vertical arrangement too, which is the layout of the list. But the thing is that I think we should change to 70%. 70% is fine. And the width to fill parent. Now you can see those texts being visible clearly. Let's go to list view, and then maybe now we shall go to vertical layout and change the height to automatic. Because actually the difference is made by the width, not the height. After adjusting the width, we can see those texts are being visible clearly. Let's drag and drop label inside the horizontal arrangement and type it song title. We want the title of the song to be displayed in this label when the song is being played. Right, as you can see, let's change the text color to red and change the horizontal arrangement background color to pink and alignment of course center. Now let's connect to our emulator. Wait for some time. If you like my video tutorial, please subscribe it, like it, share it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notification. And please don't forget to leave a comment regarding this video tutorial. 4 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, 0. Emulator should start. Okay, it started, and we can see the list being displayed clearly, those tags. Now let's go to list view and remove the tags and go back to block. Let's go to designer again. No, maybe we can do in the block when screen initialize, which means when the app starts, what we can do is Okay, let's go to designer, and then we need an extension, and that is MIT App Inventor file extension, which I'm uploading it. Let's wait till it gets uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, you can see it is reflected. You have to drag and drop in the main page. Let's go back to blog. See, you can get this from this. I'll give a link where you can download this file extension. By default, it is not available in the MIT App Inventor. So you can see this link, but I will give in the below description. You don't need to worry for that. You just need to download, upload, and use it. And all the instructions is given clearly here how to use it. Yeah, you go to the link and download from there. Okay, let's click. Then here we need a function that says file list async. Drag and drop it in the screen is initialized, and from the text grab an empty text and just type file colon forward 3 slashes and then mnt and then sd card. Okay, this is the name of the directory, and then drag another empty, and then in the extension just write mp3 because we are looking for an mp3 file extension. And in the logic, from the logic drag and drop true, which means we are also looking for the mp3 file inside the subdirectories. That's why we are giving true. Okay, from the variable we need a global variable wherein we need to store the part of the mp3 file. I have named it file part list, and from the list drag and drop create empty list, which will create a list with empty string in it. Then we are dragging another after file list async from the typhoon file 1. Then we will, after we get the file list of mp3, we will set it to our global file part list. Okay, that is what we need to do. You can see it. This is a global. We'll duplicate another list and rename this to maybe file title list, which is the title of the mp3. And then from the control we will select for each item. So for each item inside the file list, after we get the file list, okay, we will parse the title of the name. We will parse that path. For that we need to drag and drop from the list add item to list function under this for each function, and we'll collapse this because it is too big. Then here in the list we will give the file title list, set it, and the item what we want is the title of the song. So for that we need to drag and drop the function split text. Text is what? The item, and we will split at the forward slash. Okay, we are splitting at the forward slash, but we are not done yet. We have, after that we have to get the select list item function. Okay, and set it to item, and then set it to list because it creates a list when you parse. And then from the list I'm dragging dropping list length of list, and also I am duplicating this split at text because the last list will be the title of the song in the item. Sorry. Okay, now from the list we will set this title to these elements. We have already got the list of title songs, so we are setting to the element of the list. And right now, if there is a MP3 player, it should show. Then from the list, when we pick any of this uh, element, it should play for us. But before that, if it is playing, that's why I have drag and drop the condition. Okay, if it is not playing, then sorry, it should be if it is playing. Suppose it is already playing a music, then we will pause it. Okay, after we select a list item, then we will set the source of the player to the path of the title song. For that, we will get this path, file path list. Okay, from there, what we need to do is we need to get the index. So I'm going to list and select list item. I will drag. Okay, and then the list is the file path list, of course. The index is the list views selection index, selection index. Yeah, we got it. Now the source, we should go for that to file, and then here get URI function with file name. We will drag that. That is what we want, and we will set the list to it. Then last we'll drag and drop the call player one start, which means it will start playing. Okay, now let's go to the button and then set the image. When it is playing, the image button should show a pause. So for that, we are dragging an empty string and giving the icon that we uploaded, that is pause underscore icon dot png. Okay, now you can see the play, but then when it is playing, it will show pause icon. Let's set this to invisible. Let's set this also to invisible, that is the label layout, and the list layout also to invisible. Now what we will do is we will I just made a HTML function, I mean HTML web page, wherein you can see the spinner spinning. You see the spinner is being spun. This I made it because till it finishes loading the list items, it will show us this spinner. Okay, but here you can see it is not okay, but then due to some error, maybe I'll close this and start it again. In the Google Chrome, make big size and then go to developer tools again. And you can see here various size as I'm setting it to check the mobile sizes, how it looks. So this page will show us while while the list is being prepared. Okay, so we have to upload this by going to the file, pressing on the file upload, choose file, and then I keep it in my documents. Yeah, this is the one with the name load.html, right? You will see it is being reflected in this moment. Okay, it is being reflected. Now we shall drag and drop the web viewer above all the elements, I mean layouts. Then we'll set the home URL to file colon forward slash history times Android underscore asset slash forward, and then load.html, which is the name of the file, HTML file that I just created. Now what we will do, when the page initializes, we will tell to open the web view with the home URL. So go home, call go home, web view, go home, we will drag and place in the screen initialize on the topmost. Okay, so now when the screen when the list is ready, which is after file list async, what we will do, we will make this web view visibility to false, which means we are hiding the web view. Okay, you can see at this time the web view will be hidden, it will not be visible anymore, and we want the list to be viewed. So we will set the vertical arrangement to true. First we need to duplicate it and then set it to true, the logic. Okay, so you can see here, now we can see the list. Okay, let's expand our button. What we will do, okay, now after maybe let's, what we can do, okay, we will set the visibility of the button to true because we have a list or the, so we want the button to be viewed, which is play pause icon. In case it is not playing, it will show us the play button icon, and if it is playing, it will show us the pause button icon. That is already set, those functions are already set. Now that yeah, we also need this label. What we want to, when, I mean after it is being picked, the title of the song should be displayed, so that's why we are making the label visible to true. So far it's okay, I think. Are we missing something else? Let's go to designer, and then now let's build. Okay, I'm running the provide QR code, and then I will scan with my mobile where I have installed. Let's wait for some time. It's only 35%, 50%. Depending on the speed of the net, the app will be processed and built for you. We will be able to see QR code. We have to scan this code. Okay. We will open our app, MIT App Inventor app that I downloaded from Play Store. We'll scan, I have pressed on the scan QR code. Then you can see the being processed. Once we get this, it will snap itself and then initialize download in your handset. Press OK and then open it and then install it. Then press it on the done. Clear everything. go to the app icon, press it, and there is an error. We can fix it by going to the settings of the app, settings of the handset, and then tap on the app notification. You can see I tap on the player app, and then you have to enable this storage permission. Go back and then tap on the MP3 player icon again, and this time you can see the list of the songs. Okay, let's tap in one of the songs. You can see as I tap, the background color being displayed, but we don't have the song title being displayed. We have to fix this. Let's wait and listen if the song is being played. Okay, let's clean it and let's go back and fix this. The OK button, and then click on the block item and it should open. Then let's set the label. Maybe we can make global variable. Okay, let's throw it, this, delete it, we don't need it actually. We can go to the label and set that text. We need a text, yeah. We'll drag and drop this, and then we will drop it once after we pick, when it is placed, we want the title of the song to be displayed. So we will drag and drop inside, below button play pause image. Okay, and set the title from the selection of the list, that is list view selection. We have set the title, and we also want to say that along with the title of the song we will set a string which we will write now playing the title of the song. Okay, these two things will be visible. Let's go to designer, and then what we can do is that we can see the label. Okay, we'll change the font size of the label to 25. I think that should do good. And we'll change the list title to 40 as well. We want the list to be viewed bigger. Okay, then we will build it by running the app again. If you like my video tutorial, subscribe it, like it, share it, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notification. Please leave in the comment how you felt about this, or whether you liked or not. Okay, now we will scan this and download the app. Okay, let's scan the QR code again. Let's go to our app, MIT App Inventor app, and then scan QR code. It's snapped and it will initially slice download again. Download, open, install. Done. Clear everything. Open the app again. Getting the list prepared. Okay, we'll tap one of the song. It will take time for the song to play because the functions are preparing. You see now the song is being played. This is a song of Tripura, which is in northeast of India. But I'm observing that the letter in the label is very big, so maybe we can reduce the size, okay, by going back to our PC. We will do that in a moment. Press the OK button and then go to our blog again. Sorry, designer, and then go to the label and then change the size to 20. I'm giving visible so that we can see in the emulator how it looks. Okay, fine, we will take the visibility again, untick it, and then run the app once again. Generate QR code for us to download it and test again in our mobile. If you like my video tutorial, please subscribe it, like it and share it. And please don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. Okay, let's scan this now. The QR code again. Download, open, install, done. Clear everything as usual. And let's open the app again. This time we will be able to see the size of the title a bit smaller.
GPS signal lost.
You can see, and it displays in the middle. You can see the other one also. You can check play pause button and trigger play pause by playing with it. I hope you like my video tutorial, and if you do so, please leave a comment and subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, share with your friends. It is taking time for the another song to play. I think this should be fixed. Maybe the problem is, or the issue is with the extension or a player. I think the committee of MIT App Inventor should look into this.
Kisha kisha keno yin ka, nina kora